Imagine you're standing in a vast field at sunrise, dew sparkling on every leaf. You bend down and pick up a single seed, the tiniest promise of life. Now, imagine that seed is like a secret code, carrying instructions for turning soil, sunlight, and water into a golden ear of corn or a bright red tomato. But wait, what if I told you that code is not so different from the blueprint hidden in every cell of your body, guiding you from childhood through puberty into adulthood? Let's set off on a journey where agriculture meets sex ed. First stop, the buzzing world of pollinating. Picture a bee dappled in pollen, flitting from flower to flower. That grain of pollen is like a tiny messenger carrying half of a plant's genetic puzzle. When it lands on another flower's sticky stigma, it whispers, "Let's combine forces." Suddenly, a new seed begins to grow, blending traits from two parents. In humans, it's a sperm meeting an egg. Another whisper, another handshake, creating a whole new human blueprint. Cool, right? Now, switch over to the lab. Scientists take pollen, far more precise than our busy bee. They cross wheat varieties, making crops that resist drought or fight off disease. This is selective breeding and genetic tinkering in act. In my human reproduction lab, we study hormones, tiny chemical messengers. Time to grow hair, deepen your voice, or bloom into adult features. Just like we strengthen plants against harsh climate. We learn how hormones strengthen your bones, drive your growth spurt, and sculpt your voice. Next, imagine a futuristic farm. Robots scan each plant, checking pollen levels and soil moisture. Data streams into a giant computer brain that says, water this row more, tweak the other row less. Meanwhile, doctors use ultrasound and genetic tests to peek at developing babies inside the womb, ensuring they thrive in their first 9 months, just like seedlings in a greenhouse. You can't help but wonder, could we one day print tiny organs with 3D bioprinters or grow entire hearts in labs? But here's the real twist. What if you, yes, you, could design the perfect hybrid? A fruit so sweet, it tastes like candy, or a flower that glows in the dark? Or imagine you could learn to map your own genetic code, spotting potential health issues decades before they appear. That's the frontier where agricultural science and sex science collide, at the edge of biology, ethics, and imagination. So grab a notebook, fire up Google Scholar, or better yet, visit a local farmer or university lab. Talk to researchers who grow superfoods and doctors who study human life's first spark. There's a universe of tiny wonders waiting for you. Every seed, every cell, every fluttering bee, and shifting hormone. Dive in, ask questions, and get ready to shape the future, whether you're growing the next supercrop or unlocking the secrets of life itself.